Hi, it's me again with Corel Gold Tips and Tricks. This is really part three, and it's really I should really take one of those videos down, but I'm really just trying to help one person. I can't imagine anybody wanting to do this. And my mentor from Corel Draw, I sent him the video, and he made that I found a mistake, or he found a mistake. If we take away the page border to get rid of the page, let's go back and go ahead and add the page border. Last night I made a video where you could go and add the bleed, and I thought that would be the page border, but it's not. It's an eighth of an inch bigger. It's a bleed area. I don't ever use that, so I was not aware of that. So another thing he kind of suggested that makes pretty good sense. If you want to not have your page, the person that's having trouble saying this shadow is causing his laser to be off or something. Both my mentors say that can't happen, but if you take your guidelines and if you have Snap to on, Snap to guidelines, Snap to page on, you can bring in guidelines. You can bring in guidelines and have it snap to the corners of the pages. And then you could actually lock those where you could never move them again. Looks like I'm a little bit off on that one. And there we go. And then you could go up to view and turn off the page border, and there's your page. There's your page size. And I'm not going to get into how you're going to lock that because I can't imagine really anybody ever doing this. But it does work because that is, I hit P and that is still the center of the page. Anyway, that's not going to help too many, but I hope it helped them, and thank you for watching.